Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Please allow, my name is Muhammad Arif Hadiansa, student ID number 224308090, rolling stock engineering for the class.
My name is Amalia Dwi Nurrahma from class 4D with NIM 224308075.
Group 5 will explain the simulation of DC motor speed control using push button input. This is a DC motor speed control simulation circuit with a push button where the components used are uh, push button on off, push button CV and CCV, resistor, avometer, LED blue, transistor, relay, DC motor, battery, and Arduino Uno. And this is an Arduino Uno program for simulation DC motor speed control with push button input, where this section is used to define the pin name. For example, define pin 112. Name is pin 12 is name is pin 1. Then in void setup, use define output or input pins. Example, pin mode, pin mode, pin 1 output. So pin 1 or pin 12 is output, and so on. Then for loop. This program means that if the output A0 and A1 are low or both switches are open, then the circuit is dead. Then this program means that if A0 is high and A1 is low, or the switch is on and the CV or CCV switch is off, then the DC motor will rotate counterclockwise or CCV. Then this program means that if A0 is high and A1 is high, on the switch is on and the CV or CCV switch is on, then the DC motor will rotate clockwise or CV. Then this program means if A0 and A1 is high, on the switch is off and CV and CCV switch is on, then the circuit is dead.
Before it, we don't create program in Arduino. So if program is done, we click verify and we copy the output. If don't copy, we go to Proteus and we double click in Arduino Uno. And we paste the output word in there. and we click OK. So we are run the circuit. This is a push button 1 and this is push button 2. Push button 1 functional is for on and off. And push button CW and CCW, the function is to change direction of motor DC. And nah, and both button must be press simulation. If push button 1 we are press, so uh, the circuit will the relay will have a positive charge, and if not press, the relay is will have a negative charge. So we must press the push button 1. And we do if we don't press push button 1, push button 2, the relay we have a positive charge if we not press push button 2, uh, the circuit it's not function because there is no change in direction and voltage coming in Arduino. I will explain about diagrams. This is a diagram Saklar 1 or Saklar 2. If a low of both, the output CW and CCW off, will low. And if Saklar 1 and Saklar 2 high, the output CW will high and output CCW will low. And if Saklar 1 high and Saklar 2 low, then CW will low and CCW will high. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.